guys, we have an Peagout today. Had a crash and most of the airbag is active. Now we want to change the most of the airbag driver and program the unit. Uninstalling the driver airbag, put here, push, then you can uninstall the driver airbag. This is the seat driver, and for opening the seat driver you need open the 10mm bolt. Three bolts here. I don't know, you can see them, and 2 bolts here, and you need to uninstall the air canal to can remove the airbag, and also remove the unit of airbag located here, and add 3 bolts. Opening the unit is a little difficult, but you can open it without open the console. Now we want to this is the driver airbag, and we prepared the new one machine. Here is the unit of airbags with the Eprom with number 95320. We can pick up this Eprom and reprogram it. I use Tahosoft airbag. Select the car, Peagout 407, and this is the calibration of unit 603554600 with Eprom 95320. Check with the calibration of unit 603. Yes, that is, and we reprogram the Eprom and then install the unit, and alles is okay. The point is, we don't change the unit, just program it. Thank you for watching my video.